Hey, my name is Claire Rafferty and I'm head coach here at Run, Lift, Compete. In this series, I am going to take you through the 8 main Hyrox stations. I'm going to break down the technique, and then within the PDF segment, I'm going to give you some workouts that you can use to build those specific stations. Now, the key to this is in this handout, everything I'm doing is tailored specifically to Hyrox and racing. So how we approach some of the exercises is going to be slightly different than how you would say if you were going to go and do a row competition or a ski competition or a standalone workout. Everything in this is about efficiency and it's about race day, so I cannot reiterate that enough. The other big thing that we're going to speak about and touch on within the workout specifically is 3 key energy systems that you need to work on for Hyrox. We have your top end, let's call that your all out, your anaerobic system. That's really where we're going to be looking at short, sharp workouts and lots of recovery. This is the type of system that we need to work, that we're not actually going to use within Hyrox. Maybe in the last few minutes of wall balls you might tap into it, but ultimately we're just going to work on that top end to increase your aerobic range in total. The second one we're going to look at is more your lactate system, we're going to call that for the sake of this. And ultimately that's the system you're going to be racing Hyrox in, okay? It's that sustainable, intense pace and intense system. The race system, the compromise runs, that's where we're going to really be focusing for those big race day workouts. And then the last system we're going to consider is that aerobic base. That's the really low bottom end that quite often is overlooked. So we're going to consider workouts for each station that can be adapted to each of these training zones, as well as keeping everything about efficiency and Hyrox specific. Now, of course, if you don't have some of the equipment, I'm going to do my best to give you options, but there aren't options for all of the exercises. I hope you enjoy this guide.